Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you want to secure your Microsoft account or any other account or platform, then I'll show you how you can do it through enabling the two-factor authentication through Microsoft Authenticator. So first you have to go to a browser and there you have to search for account.microsoft.com because we have to go to the Microsoft account so that we can connect the Authenticator app and then we will be able to use it. So once you get to the website, it will just take a while and the data will load. On the left side, you will see few options. So from all these options, you have to click on the option of security. As you click on the security, then after that it will ask you for your password, but before you have to verify your email, so it will send a verification code to your email address and you have to simply get it. So for that reason, just simply paste your email address and after that you will receive the mail or the code there. Now you just have to simply get it and then you will be able to get to the next page. Then you will see this option, manage how I sign in. You have to click on this option and then it will just take a while into the loading. Once the loading gets done, then it will take you to this page. Then you will see this option, add a new way to sign in to verify. You have to click onto it and click onto this option through the app. Now you will see this option, get it now. So you just have to simply install the Authenticator app in your mobile phone, and after that you will see this page. You have to click on next. Now make sure you already have installed the Authenticator app in your mobile phone, then you will get this code that you have to scan. So for that reason, open your mobile phone and then you have to simply open the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you have not it, you can get it from Google Play Store, App Store. Once it get open, then you have to simply get agree to their terms and condition, and then you have to sign up using your Microsoft account. If you want to skip it at a moment, you can do it, but later on it will ask you to sign up again. So there's no option you can use it. After that, you can select it this option, and then once you log in with your account, a camera will open. Then you will have to simply scan the code which is on your laptop or your screen. So you will see this camera option. You have to scan that QR code that is on your screen. Once you do it, after that, you will see your Microsoft Authenticator app will be turned on. Now, this is one of the examples that how you can use the Authenticator app. I have shown you on the Microsoft account. You can see it has been enabled. The same way you can enable it onto any other platform. Let's say if you want to do it on Facebook, Instagram, you will find the option for the authentication there. You will also get that QR code or maybe a manual code. You can just simply put it on your app, and after that the authenticator app will be connected. So that's how you can use Microsoft Authenticator app. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.